Hello viewers, today in this video I'll be discussing with you all solutions of problem number 12 from exercise 6D from chapter 6, that is operation on algebraic expressions. All right, so let's see what is the problem. Here the problem is number 12. If x minus 1 by x equal to 5, find the values of number 1 x square plus 1 by x square and number 2 x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. That means here the value of x minus 1 by x is given, that is 5, and by using this value we have to find out number 1 and number 2. Okay, so let's see how it is done. First we write what is given, then number 1 we have to find out the value of x square plus 1 by x square, we write. But here we cannot put the value of x minus 1 by x directly because it is not in this form. So our aim is to first convert this expression in x minus 1 by x form. When we convert this into x minus 1 by x form, then only we can put this value 5. Okay, so what are the ways we can do that? The very simple way that comes to my mind is, you know already this identity a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square is a square minus 2ab plus b square. If you do one arrangement, this minus 2ab, if you just transpose in this side, so it becomes what? A minus b whole square plus 2ab. What remains in the other side? A square plus b square. Now you compare this a square plus b square with this expression. Does it not in the form of a square plus b square? If you consider this as a square plus b square, can you not write a square plus b square as a minus b whole square plus 2ab, which I have written here, a minus b is 1 by x, b whole square, this one, okay, plus 2, here a into b, here a and b is this, so 2 into a into b. Follow? So now your expression has become in the form of x minus 1 by x. Okay, so x minus 1 by x whole square plus 2 into x into 1 by x. Here x numerator and denominator gets cancelled. What remains? Only 2. And x minus 1 by x, 5 given, we can directly put 5 here since it is whole square. So 5 square, 5 5 25 plus 2 27. So follow how we can arrange an expression and can fit into an identity form. Okay, and then we can use the given value to find out the result of the given problem. Okay, so let us see how I have found now number 2. Okay, the value of number 2, x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4. This x to the power 4 plus 1 by x to the power 4 I can write as x4, I can write as x square whole square 2 to 4. Follow? 1 by x square whole square, so 2 to 4, 1 by x to the power 4. Okay, now again this is in the form of a square plus b square. Okay, now here a square plus b square, I have used this identity, I have converted in the form of x minus 1 by x. My aim was to convert this into x minus 1 by x. Here I need not convert into x minus 1 by x because I have two values here. Here x minus 1 by x 5 and x square plus 1 by x square is 27. Therefore x square plus 1 by x square equal to 27. So if I can convert this expression in this form, I can also do because I have the value of this form. Okay, so how I can convert? Here if you see, we have another identity, a plus b whole square, which is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, in the similar way, if I transpose this plus 2ab, the other side it becomes minus 2ab. What remains? A square plus b square. In this question, if I consider this as a square and if I consider this as b square, so a square plus b square, based on this, what do I have the other side? A plus b whole square minus 2ab. So what I can write? A, that is x square, plus b, that is 1 by x square, a plus b whole square minus 2 to a, this a into b, this b. Okay, follow? This x square cancel, minus 2 into 1, minus 2 left, and I have in this form x square plus 1 by x square, and I have the value 27. Okay, so 27 square, because this is 27, so I put 27 whole square, so 27 square is 729, minus 2 is 727. Okay, so this kind of perception you should have, and this kind of when you practice also, you should have to keep this important points in your mind. Okay, how to start with the problem, what you have to convert this expression into, so that you can use the value. Okay, if you can keep this kind of perception in your mind, and this kind of things if you can remember, that is very helpful, and it will become very easy for you to solve this kind of problem. Am I clear? So if still if you find any doubt in my explanation, you can write in the comment section below. Okay, thank you.